Let's look at the Irish verb glan, which is to clean or to clear. Glan. Glan me, I cleaned. That's the past tense. Glan me. Because glan begins with the letter G, it takes a H in the past tense. Glanam is I clean. That's the present tense. Glanam, I clean. And glanha me is the future tense. I will clean. Glanha me. The ending of the future tense there is F-A-I-D-H, and that matches the fact that there's an A in glan, making it broad. So we put broad with broad, as opposed to the F-I-D-H ending, which you might see here in the likes of brish, in relation to the verb brish, that is. Verbal nouns are always useful, and in this case it's eg glana. Eg glana, that means cleaning, the action of cleaning. Cha me an lá ag glana. I spent the day cleaning. Cha me an lá ag glana. Glanta is another useful word. It means cleaned, as in it was done or it was completed. Cleaned or cleared. Bhí gach rud ar fad glanta amach as an teach. Everything was cleared out from the house. Bhí gach rud ar fad glanta amach as an teach. Now let's look at some sample sentences that you can use. Glan sé an teach ar fad. He cleaned the whole house. Glan sé an teach ar fad. Glanan she a láva go cuairmach. She cleans her hands carefully. Glanan she a láva go cuairmach. Glanha me an seomra níos muile. I will clean the room later. Glanha me an seomra níos muile. Before we finish, I'd like to give a special mention to the following patrons: Michael McFadden, Tommy Dahill, Sean Gray, Seamus McDermott, Scott O'Halloran and Barry Flanagan. I really appreciate the support, and if you would like to support me by Patreon, I will leave links in the description. So that brings us to the end of this video on the Irish verb glan. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Slán tamil.